This Coldwell Banker Advantage property video is presented by Georgine Sursum. Opportunity knocks. Rebuild the existing 42 feet by 28 feet manufactured home or remove it and build new on the existing full basement. The home had a fire, but the basement appears undamaged, and the 24 feet by 24 feet detached garage had very small damage to a section of the siding. The house is set off the road on a wooded 1-acre lot offering privacy and seclusion. The air conditioning unit was new last year and appears undamaged. There is a septic and well on the lot that was being used prior to the fire. The property is being sold as is. The owner will be removing the camper and some personal items, but the rest of the personal items and debris will be the responsibility of the buyer to dispose of. Use caution when viewing the home. Agent recommends viewing the house from the exterior and not entering.